Hello, this is lecture 9, 6th sem, Maths 3 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics. So let us see a few theorems based on topologies or results. Now result 1. If τ1 and τ2 be two topologies defined on a non-empty set X, then show that τ1 intersection τ2 is also a topology on X. So the theorem is τ1 τ2 be two topologies on a non-empty set X separately, then show that their intersection is also a topology on X. So this theorem is asked in 2017. A result is asking in 2017. Sometimes it is considered to be theorem, or maybe now it is result 1. Next, proof. Let τ1 and τ2 be two topologies on X, then x, phi belongs to τ1 and x, phi belongs to τ2. So whenever the topologies are there, these two must be x, phi belongs to τ1 and x, phi belongs to τ2, because if it is a topology, then it must be the trivial topologies. This implies x, phi belongs to τ1 intersection τ2. Next, the remaining two conditions we will prove in τ1 and τ2, so that τ1 intersection τ2 be a topology on X. So the third condition, let a1, a2, and so on, an be the n elements of τ1 intersection τ2, implies a1, a2, and so on, an belongs to τ1 and a1, a2, and so on, an belongs to τ2. As τ1 and τ2 are topologies on X, then intersection of intersection AI where I is equal to 1 to n belongs to TOE1, and intersection or second I is equal to 1 to n AI belongs to TOE2. This implies intersection I is equal to 1 to n AI belongs to TOE1 intersection TOE2. This implies a very finite intersection of elements of TOE1 section TOE2 is also an element of TOE1 intersection TOE2, so that TOE1 intersection TOE2 is closed under finite intersection. Similarly, union we will see. Let G is equal to set of Gi such that I belongs to n. Next, B, an arbitrary collection of members of TOE1 intersection TOE2. Clearly every member of G is a member of TOE1 and also that of TOE2. That means G is, suppose TOE1 intersection TOE2, then G is also belongs to the TOE1 and also belongs to TOE2. As TOE1 and TOE2 are topologies on X, then union I is equal to 1 to n Gi belongs to TOE1 and union I is equal to 1 to n Gi belongs to TOE2. This implies union I is equal to 1 to n Gi belongs to TOE1 intersection TOE2. This implies TOE1 and TOE2 or intersection TOE2 is closed under arbitrary union. So whatever I is equal to 1 to n, or may take more also, whose union must be belongs to tau 1 intersection tau 2. Hence all the four conditions are satisfied. Hence tau 1 intersection tau 2 is a topology on X. Next, result 2. Show that by an example the union of two topologies on a set need not be a topology on that set. So proof: let or consider, because we can see that by taking an example. So that consider the set X is equal to set of A, B, C, and tau 1 is equal to set of X, phi, set of A, tau 2 is equal to set of X, phi, set of B. The two topologies on X. Next, tau 1 union tau 2 is equal to set of X, phi, set of A, set of B. Here set of A union set of B, the third condition we are verifying, is equal to set of A, B does not belongs to tau 1 union tau 2. That is a very arbitrary union of members of tau 1 union tau 2 is not a member of tau 1 union tau 2. So fourth condition, that is third condition of topology not satisfied. Thus tau 1 union tau 2 is not a topology on X. tau1 union tau2 is not a topology on X by verifying the given set and the two topologies defined on X. Next definition, closure of a set. Important definition, closure of a set. We have already the closed sets, whereas now closure of a set, closure of a set. Right. Let X comma tau be a topological space, and capital A be a subset of X. Then the closure of A denoted by A bar, defined as the intersection of all closed sets of X which contain A. See that the example to understand it clearly. Let X is equal to set of A comma B comma C, and tau is equal to set of X comma phi comma set of A comma set of B comma set of A comma B be a topology on X. Topology on X means all the four conditions are satisfied by tau. Next, the closed sets are here all the members of tau are open sets. Next, closed sets. So subtracting from X, because this is a universal set, subtracting from that all X minus X comma X minus phi comma X minus set of A comma X minus set of B comma X minus set of A comma B implies phi comma X comma set of B comma C comma set of A comma C comma set of A. So these are all the closed sets. Next, let us see the closure of A. Let capital A is equal to one subset I will take in the set X. That must be whatever you take, even other elements also you take. Not because set of B is already in the tau, even though you take other elements also, but which must be subset of X. So simply I will take set of B is subset of X. Next, closure of A is equal to A bar, or closure of set of B is equal to set of B bar is equal to intersection of all closed sets containing set of B is equal to, so in this all closed sets containing B is X intersection set of B comma C is equal to set of B comma C. Right, this is the closure of B. Similarly, closure of, let B is equal to, suppose, set of A comma C. Actually this not contained toe. Closure of B is equal to B bar is equal to set of A comma C whole bar is equal to intersection of all closed sets, intersection of all closed sets containing set of A comma C is equal to X, because A comma C closed sets X, here also A comma C is the intersection of A comma C is equal to set of A comma C, whether this is belongs to the given closed sets or not. So this is the closure of A. So by seeing a few more problems, it is to be easy to understand to find a closure of a set. Simply for the given topology has the open sets are there, find closed sets, later on go for the closure of that particular set. Thank you very much.